and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to check real-time stock availability in AUTODOC. So let's get started with the video. So basically you can go and choose the particular product for which you want to see it's available or not. So once you click on that, here you will see that there will be written in stock and there will be a green tick on it. That means the product is in stock. If it's written currently not in stock, that means the product is not in stock. You can choose any other product. For example, here you see it's written low in stock. That means the product is low in stock and it can be go out of stock anytime. So this green sign with a green tick, that means the product is in stock right now, and you will get red tick if currently not in stock, and you will get orange fire icon for low in stock. So this is how basically you can check real-time stock availability. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.